Begin by navigating to your quiz. Click on Launch Lockdown Browser. Click on Open in Lockdown Browser. Click Yes. Wait while it loads. Click Start Quiz. Press CTRL R simultaneously. Log into TextAid using your institution's email address and your Brightspace password. You may need to press CTRL R again. Position the player where you want it on the page. Highlight your question and answer choices. Press Listen. If you receive an error, click on the question mark. Accept the cookies, and log in again. Close the player. Highlight your question and answer choices, and click Listen.
DocReader will read Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Question 1 options. True. False.
Select your answer. Repeat the process of highlighting your question and answer choices, clicking Listen, and selecting your answer as you proceed through the rest of the test or quiz. Click Submit Quiz. Click Submit Quiz a second time. Click Done. Click Exit Lockdown Browser. Click Yes. Click Done. You have now completed your test or quiz and exited the Respondus LockDown Browser, so you should now navigate to your next lesson or activity.